So it's Friday, the 24th of March, and we've planned a trip to Snowdonia National Park. So with my bags packed, my camera ready, all dusted off, sensor spots cleaned, we are ready for a big adventure. First stop, the OGWIND Valley. Llyn Idwal is a stunning glacial lake located in the heart of Snowdonia National Park. It is surrounded by towering mountains, including the iconic Trevan, and is a popular spot for hikers, climbers and photographers. The lake is named after Prince Idwal, who according to Welsh legend drowned in the lake after his horse was spooked by a giant toad. Today, Llyn Idwal is a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. For photographers, Llyn Idwal provides a variation of different opportunities for capturing stunning images. The reflections of the surrounding mountains in the still water of the lake can make for some incredible landscape shots, especially during the early morning and late evening when the light is soft and golden, but not today.
We're out again, and look where we are, North Wales, and the old one in the background. But I've had to come behind this rock because it's so windy. It's almost blew me over as I crossed the bridge at Llyn Idwal. And obviously in the wind you won't be able to hear me. It's absolutely horrendous. So let me put it that way, it might be better. But we're getting some fabulous light. So I am going to try and get an image, and I'm going to get an image that I probably captured last year, and I'm going to walk around here first, try that. And then maybe, I don't know if I'm going to carry on walking or not, to be honest. But we're here with the crew. We've got to meet up Sunday. But this is Friday afternoon, and there's 6 of us, all in as campers. And yeah, we're going to enjoy this one. This is going to be an adventure and a half. Adventure and a half. Yeah, look at this. But I'll take you into the wind because it is extreme. Literally, nearly blew me over. Struggling to actually walk, to be honest. I'm going to walk around this side and try and get an image. Whoa. It has predicted high winds, some sort of 40-50 mile an hour winds. So we've got that to contend with, so maybe it's just handheld because it's not worth getting the tripod up, setting it up for a shot that you can just take handheld anyway. That just makes sense. But the drama in the sky is something else. I don't know whether you can see that, but this is something else. Okay, let's get round here. Let's see if we can get an image around this side. Every now and again, every 5-10 minutes, we get this breeze come through, and it's coming through now. You can see it coming across the water. It's going to hit us now. And it's like a tsunami of waves and wind. Oh, here it comes. Oh my God. Oh, got some lovely light coming on the mountain range there. Oh, guys. It's a tad breezy. Okay, so, well, I've come and walk around the lake. Well, we've come and walk around the lake. Hey, we've got a full crew today, absolute full crew. This ain't the meat neither. This is the meat before the meat, about the meat. But look at the wind on the lake. I don't know whether you can see that. But at some point, every now and again, you get such a gust. Like I say, it's like a tsunami of wind that comes through that shoves all the water and it blows it right off the end. It's amazing, absolutely amazing. Brutal, but it's amazing. So yeah, been trying this image here, and I have captured something similar to it last year when I was with Adi Whittle. And it's a fantastic shot. If you come to the lake, Llyn Idwal, and walk to the right, you got the pathway that wanders up, and then you can basically get the pathway here, and then it wandering up to the ridge there. Fantastic shot, and especially in this mood, it really does work. So I've done a landscape and a portrait shot of that. Got that. That's in the bag. I'm happy with that. I have focus stacked it, and I'm going to try another method as well, just to see if it works. And what I'm going to do is I've focused on the foreground, and then we've zoomed in a bit, focused on the mountain, and then I might put the two images together as a composite and bring the mountains a little bit closer. I'm not sure if it's going to work, we'll see. But yeah, that's the plan. A nice bit of light here now, so I'm going to actually grab that again. But I can't put you guys down, you'll just blow over. You'll end up, I don't know, Anglesey, somewhere like that. Because it's so windy. And I think it's supposed to get worse later. So we'll probably be in the pub, to be honest, where it could get even windier. Okay, let's crack on.
This image was created by focus length blending. Focus length blending involves combining multiple images taken at different focal lengths. This image is of two raw files, one with a wider foreground incorporating the pathway, and then a more zoomed in image bringing that mountainous background closer to the foreground.
So we've stopped again, and we've come to this little cascade. Well, no, it's a waterfall. It's not a cascade, it's a waterfall. It's a cascade and a nice waterfall, but it's got a nice backdrop. What's difficult is we obviously want to slow that shutter speed down to get a little bit of movement in the water. Not too much, but a little bit. But because of this wind, all the heather's dancing around, so I'm hopefully done a couple of images and we'll blend them together at the end. One with quite a quick shutter speed to try and catch the heather that's not moving. With the heather, it'd be nice in August, this shot. and then a longer exposure to capture the movement in this water. Looks really, really nice, to be honest. So hopefully I've done it justice, and that wind. It's actually blowing the water back up the waterfall, but it's beautiful. Let me just move away from the water so you can hear me a bit better. Oh, it's hearing me. Okay, so yeah, when we get them gusts, it's actually blowing the water back up the waterfall, and then it sort of loops around and it blows it all in his face. So it's challenging, but absolutely fantastic fun. We still haven't made it round. We've been walking for a good hour or so now, and we're heading up towards the end. I think Ginger's up the end now. Ginger and Daz and Ian are up the top there, and capturing that iconic shot looking back at Llyn Idwal. But yeah, that's nice. That is nice. Martin's there trying to frame a shot up there. We got Colin here. He's just framing up a shot as well. I don't know if you can see him. Colin's here, just framing up that shot, similar one to mine. Martin's, I think Martin's just trying to get a drink. But yeah, actually that's a good shot of Martin as a selfie look. It's not a bad shot, is it? So yeah, like I say, hopefully I've blended them together, or I can blend them together, and we can create a nice image there. That's nice, that is nice. Okay, so we've come to the bridge at Llyn Idwal with the iconic shot back, but it's just not sort of playing ball. It's gone a little bit, it's moody, we've got a little bit of a rain shower and overcast, but I'm not going to bother, now. But it's a super location, super place. The wind is horrendous as well, but it just shows you've got to put up with it because it's still a stunning location. It'd be worth getting, it'd still be worth getting a shot, but I know personally myself, I've got a better shot from here. So it's just not floating my boat at the minute. Yeah, and that's it. So I think we're going to head back down now and probably head to the pub. an early night in the pub, some pub grub. I am going to be putting some workshops from here midweek or weekend. So if you are interested, message me and could have a day out in the OGWIND Valley and I'll show you this location that's absolutely out of this world. It's stunning. There's some good shots you can get right next to the car park, or we can trek half an hour up to this area here, or I say a little bit longer, maybe an hour with these knees of cheese. But no, it's stunning. It's absolutely stunning. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Gusts of wind, 60 mile an hour gusts. Nearly blew us off the end earlier. It's great, it's lovely. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you soon.
Mind your step, Colin.